In this guide, I will show you how to check in for your Westjet flight online. You need your reservation code, full name, and date of birth. Begin by visiting the Westjet check-in website on your phone's browser or on your laptop. Enter your reservation code or ticket number in the designated field. You'll also need to enter your last name. Click on Find My Trip to proceed. Westjet will display your flight information, including departure time and seat assignments. Review everything carefully to ensure it's accurate. Depending on your destination, you might need to provide additional details like passport information, emergency contact details, or your U.S. travel itinerary. Once everything is confirmed, proceed with the check-in process. You'll have the option to choose between a mobile boarding pass or a printable boarding pass. Mobile boarding pass allows you to download your boarding pass directly to your phone's wallet for easy access. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.